Hi, this is Soft Cell Video Productions and I'm your host John. In this episode we're going to go over the tools you should be carrying in your tool belt if you're an electrician. We're only going over the very basic tools. You can add more if you like. I do not endorse any brands. Any brand name you see is purely coincidental, and everything that I use is for demonstration purposes only. Strippers are a handy little item. They are exactly 6 inches long because 6 inches of wire need to come from the edge of your box. In order to strip your wire, you bear down on the wire, but you do not cut it, and it pulls right off. Then you use your strippers to strip your wire. They also have another function. There's a little hole here to curl your wire, so it's just the right angle to go around an electrode screw. We also covered the cutter, which has a variety of uses, not just stripping wire. You need a marker so that you can mark your wire and stuff. These are an approved pair of crimpers. Every different brand look exactly like these. You can tell by the trademark look on the mouth. They're marked non-insulated and insulated. This is primarily for crimping ground sleeves. Next you have lineman's pliers. These are extra heavy duty pliers and they're used primarily for twisting wire to get ready for a wire nut. We then have dikes. Now dikes are used primarily for prying out staples and nails for items that are already fixed. They can also be used for cutting off the heads of nails. Moving right along, we have a drywall saw, and its purpose is just that. It cuts drywall quite efficiently. We come to the full array of screwdrivers. This is a squiggly. It's used primarily for putting on plate covers without breaking the plate cover. Standard flat tip. Standard Phillips. This is a panel screwdriver. This is used for tightening down ground and neutral screws inside the panel. This basically is for live work. Big screwdriver. This is for prying off work boxes or for tightening down very large screws on breakers, lugs, etc. Torpedo level. It's got a magnet and it's good for leveling fixtures or outlet covers. It works both diagonally, horizontally, and vertically. Tape measure is an absolute must. And here's a little tip. You can mark your tape measure on the back side so that when you hold it up to the roof, you know what the measurements are. You need a good hammer. Always use a smooth surface hammer. It won't leave marks on the wood. Gotta have a stud sensor. Doesn't matter what brand, and I can tell you right now, the more expensive they are, the harder they are to use. And that pretty much sums up what you should see in an electrician's belt. That's the very minimum of the tools that you should be carrying. You can always carry more, but if you don't have at least those tools, I think it would be hard for you to do your job properly. That concludes this segment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.